Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a my favorite versus my Alma BB. I'm going to be sharing with you the pros and the cons of each bag. I'm going to be sharing with you the current prices. I'm going to show you some pictures with them on. I am 5'5", in case you're wondering when you see the footage of me with both bags on, and I'm gonna let you know at the end which bag I actually prefer using. I like them both, however, there is one that I do prefer using. If you're new to this channel, welcome. My name's Carla, and on this channel, I'll be sharing ideas on fashion, style, beauty, and lifestyle in general. If you like these kind of videos, please subscribe to my channel. If you like this video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and let's get into this. I'm gonna start with the favorite I have this bag, as you can see, in the monogram canvas. This bag comes with a gold chain with this gold piece right here that says Louis Vuitton on it. It is a magnetic closure. It's pretty strong actually for just being that closure. And it has purple interior. This bag currently in 2019 runs for $1,020 without tax. And it has, actually it doesn't come with this strap. I'll show you the strap it comes with. It comes with this leather strap. It is removable, and as you can see, I have removed it. I am using the adjustable strap that I purchased separately for $235 on this bag. If you have the Pochette Metis, you can remove the strap off of that bag and use it on your favorite if you have it in the monogram canvas. This bag measures at 11 by 6.7 by 1.6 inches. This bag can be carried as a shoulder bag, crossbody. It can be worn when I remove the adjustable strap that I purchased separately, or the strap that actually came with it. When you remove those, you can just use this gold chain and wear it on a night out. It just makes the bag a shorter shoulder strapped bag. As I mentioned, this bag does have a strong magnetic closure. When you open it, it does have the purple interior. It has one pocket inside and then just one big pocket. Inside of this bag, I have my wallet with my keys, a diaper. So quick thing. When I'm purchasing a bag, I have a toddler, so I have to make sure that his quick essentials actually fit in any bag that I purchase. To continue, I have some wipes, gum, my phone. This is an iPhone 7 and it fits perfectly. As you saw, I had lots of room in here. Some cash, let me remove that. And then just some pens, highlighter, marker, sanitizer, and a chapstick. As you saw, all of those things fit perfectly in here. I had no issues with it at all. This is the bag. This is it from the side with all my items in it. This is the back, and once again, the side. I'm going to show you some footage with me wearing this bag. Once again, as I mentioned, I am 5'5". Here I'm using the bag as a shoulder bag. This is it crossbody. As you can see, it fits someone who's my height, 5'5", perfectly. Here, I'm removing the adjustable strap that I purchased separately, and I'm going to use the bag as a short shoulder bag using the gold chain. Let's talk about the pros and cons of this bag. One of the pros on this bag is that it's easy to open and close this magnetic closure that it has. And like I said before, even though it's a magnet, it is a really strong magnet. So none of my items really fall out of this bag. Another pro to this bag is that you can remove the strap and replace it with this adjustable strap that, like I mentioned before, I did purchase separately. Now to the cons of this bag. This gold accent piece that's on here, even though it looks nice, because of the location and the opening and this actual gold chain that's next to it, it tends to get scratched up a lot, and over time it does end up looking used and abused. I do use my bags, and when I say use my bags, I mean I'm not cautious of the way I put it down or the way I pick it up or the way I put my bags away. So I do end up messing this gold piece up probably more than anyone else would that's more cautious when they use their bags. Another con to this bag is the availability. This bag is not easy to get a hold of. I have had this bag for about 2 years now. Then it was a little bit easier to get a hold of this bag. Now it's definitely not. Next, we're gonna talk about the Alma BB, which as you can see, I have it in the Damier Ebene canvas. This bag comes with the beautiful red interior. And like the favorite MM, it does only have this one pocket inside of the bag. This bag has a key tag, which can be personalized. It has a beautiful gold lock, and it actually has these protective studs on the bottom in case you're the type of person that goes out and puts your bag down places, or if you like to leave your bag on the floor, just know that the bag is protected with the gold studs. This bag also comes with this leather strap, which I don't really care to use unless I'm wearing the bag crossbody or on my shoulder. I find that on my shoulder, this bag is a little too long, so the only way I'll use this bag with the strap is if I'm wearing it crossbody. This bag measures 9.8 by 7.6 by 4.7. In 2019, this bag does retail for $1,230 without tax. Let's talk about the pros in this bag. I love that it's a top handle bag. I love that it's a zip closure as opposed to the magnetic closure on the favorite MM. Even though it is a strong magnet, I do prefer the zipper on this bag. I love the red interior. It gives it a pop when I leave my bag open. I want to show you that the items that I have in the favorite MM fits in this bag perfectly. Wipes, one diaper, my wallet with my keys, my pen, my highlighter, my gum, my cash, which as you saw with the favorite I do like to put it in this little pocket right here. My phone, which as I mentioned earlier is the iPhone 7. My sanitizer. And my chapstick. I want to show you how much room is still left in this bag. Check that out. I showed you all the stuff that I put in this bag and it still has tons of room. I can zip it up perfectly. And that goes to show you that looks can really, really be deceiving. One thing I also love about this bag is the protective studs that the bag has. If I can choose a con in this bag, the con would be that it is really, 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 really tight. I'm not sure if it's because I've only had this bag for a year now that it's so tight, but I do end up scratching my hand on the zipper closure whenever I'm putting my hands in and out of the bag. Now I'm going to show you what this bag looks like on crossbody, as a shoulder bag, and as a top handle bag. As you can see, the strap is so long that when I use the bag crossbody, it still fits me pretty low. This is the bag being worn as a shoulder bag, and as I mentioned before, the strap is so long that I rarely use this bag as a shoulder bag. Now to let you know which bag I actually prefer. If you haven't figured out by now, I definitely prefer the Alma BB. Why? This bag is a nice structured bag. It can be worn so many ways. Even though it looks small, it fits so much. And I prefer a bag that I can actually leave open like this. And as I'm running around, I'll wear this crossbody and just grab the stuff I need, put stuff in that I'm trying to put in really quick. I definitely prefer this bag over the favorite because of those reasons. Like I said in the beginning, it's not that I do not like the favorite I love both bags. I just prefer the Alma BB because it's more versatile and it's more convenient for me. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. If you have either one of these bags, let me know in the comment section below which bag you actually prefer. Until next time, see you later.